Hey guys, welcome back. Today today we're gonna do another Xbox 360 unrecognized disc error glitch thingy. Whatever you do it. Yeah, shut up.
No, man, shut up, boy. I like you, Lolo. Shut up, nigga. Go there. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Huh?
You got a Minecraft shirt on. I said that's cool.
Thanks.
You got the unrecognized disc here. The old Halo 3 for the method that we're doing. This is part 2 from the last video that worked for a lot of people. Apparently, I need to do part two for people to understand. You take the disc out. What you want to do is close the tray, of course, and then, and of course, you want to do this. You just, no, okay, does not work. My Xbox is old, so this might only work for older Xboxes. What you want to do? Sign in. You know that. And then let me find where this is. Plugged in at. Let me just look for the cord. Oh, there it is. What you want to do is unplug it. Unplug it. Just unplug it. Unplug your Xbox. What you want to do? It's gonna say that. Okay, no signal. And you want to plug it back in. See that orange light? You want to plug it back in. And then you want to turn it back on your Xbox. Insert your unrecognized disc. And then, what you want to do is, jeez. What the heck? Okay. Why would you stop that? Stop it. What you want to do is make sure you put your disc in.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh, well, it doesn't matter which account I signed into. I accidentally counted. It's just showing for the video or whatever. See, the house says unrecognized disc. And what you want to do is this. Open the tray. Close the tray.
Look what it says. Student dictionary.
And you want to do this a few times. It's going to take a lot of attempts, but it'll work eventually. And there you have it, everybody. It works. Oh, never mind. Oh, wait. It takes you to this because it thinks it's a movie of some sort. 1 second, let me get to it. 1 second. And what you want to do is you want to turn off your Xbox. My controller stops acting up, I can do that. 1 second. And when your Xbox comes back on, you'll find that it's not a DVD and it's actually a game. And then you want to eject it and then put it back in. Close the tray.
I'm the average human being.
You're 6 foot. You gotta press open and close tray a lot for this to get it to work. And if it doesn't work, just you unplug it one more time, and then what you want to do is take the disc out after you unplug it, and then and then you could like put the disc in once do the same method. You got to do the same method like 3 times for it to work. Sometimes you do. Depends. Jeez, excuse you. And also, what you might want to do if it doesn't work, you might want to clean your disc a little bit. You see it's a little wet. I'm going to wipe it off a little bit. Make sure it's good enough to put back in the system. And the one thing you got to pay attention to is the vibration of the Xbox. Or the sound. Listen. Ready when it closes? If it stops vibrating, makes that sound, that means it didn't work. And there you go, it works. It finally said play game now. I got it to work. I got it to work again. So that's all the steps you have to go over. You may have to do the method like 3 times to do it, but there you go. Peace out, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. This is to prove that it still works. This is the second method to do it. It's pretty much it's similar. It's similar to the first method. It's just a little bit different. Alright, peace out, like, subscribe, see you next video.